They don't want to give you anxiety or treat you any kind of way. But there are active charges right now for you.
For what?
For, I believe it's scheme to defraud.
What?
Scheme to defraud.
Okay, for who?
For you.
At first, this seems like a simple conversation about a vehicle purchase, but detectives already know there's much more happening behind the scenes. As they begin asking questions, the suspect insists the money is legitimate and that everything is just a misunderstanding. But investigators aren't relying on explanations alone. They're gathering evidence. Pay close attention to every answer because small details in these interviews often become the biggest clues in a fraud investigation.
Detective Richardson with the Charlotte County Sheriff
Yeah, I
Office.
assume this is regarding the Honda.
Yeah, I just have some questions for you.
Yeah, what's up?
So, can you come out and talk to me and tell me what's going on with that?
Yeah, I mean, nothing's really going on. I bought a check. So I got raped. I have a sexual abuse case.
Okay.
The money's in a protected account, and they got a check that says, like, check with sender, not like a block check. So I literally have given them proof that I'm just letting the bank release it.
Okay.
Yeah. No one's talked to me. Zagan! Like, I texted the deputy last night, the sheriff. They literally, I had to go to the hospital for a panic attack over it because I literally am suicide. Like, I got cornered, like, tell us how you got this money. Like, it's a very sensitive subject to get money over a very long settlement, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Are you willing to give me a sworn recorded statement?
What?
Are you willing to give me a...
I am not giving a recorded statement while I'm heavily drugged. Like, I'm not even coherent right now. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I can come in and give a recorded statement. I just don't think, like, yeah, I can give it. Where do I have to go to give a recorded statement? Or can you do it right here?
Well, we prefer to do it at the sheriff's office.
Yeah, I literally we just moved here. I have my dogs. I have no problem giving a statement, but
You have something showing where this check was cleared or that there's funds inside the account?
What?
Do you have something showing that the check was cleared or that you had funds?
So the check isn't cleared. It's pre-funded, but it's like the bank pulls money to generate the check. But yeah, I've sent them all of that. I've sent them the proof. I've sent them the communication with the bank that the money was there.
Who did you send to?
What?
What dealership are we talking about?
Gettle.
What car are you talking about?
The Honda.
No, we're here for the Jeep.
The Jeep?
Yeah, we're here for this beautiful green Jeep sitting right behind me.
Oh, so it must be the same thing. Check the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it must be the same thing. No one's reached out to me about the Jeep, though.
So no one at the dealership has reached out to you?
No, I talked to the guy yesterday, and no one has said anything about the Jeep.
Who'd you talk to yesterday?
The owner.
You know his name? I don't know these people, that's what I'm asking.
No, he was saying that he had the wrong tire, and he gave me the wrong charger, so to come grab it. Yeah, no one has said anything to me about the Jeep.
Okay.
Is it reported as stolen? Like, can I drive it?
The Jeep?
Yeah.
It's not reported as stolen.
Oh, okay.
Can you scroll down? Oh, I meant the other way. So that's just you initially contacting them about the Jeep?
Yeah, and this is our conversation yesterday. Like, I haven't gotten anything.
No phone calls from anyone else from Jeep Depot?
No. I get spam calls all day, but no, I haven't gotten my last phone call. I haven't gotten anything. I'm scroll. This is from like 12:05 p.m. and not a single phone call.
Okay.
Yeah. And I texted him today. Actually, my last reply to him was this morning at 9:12 a.m. That just sound good. Because he texted me last night. I didn't reply.
All right.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment. Let me make a phone call to the dealership. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, thank you.
This is the moment the investigation changes completely. Once detectives speak with the dealership, They begin connecting multiple vehicle purchases involving nearly identical checks. In fraud investigations, patterns matter just as much as physical evidence. That's why officers carefully verify documents before making any legal decisions. Do you think this was an honest banking issue? Or do these repeated transactions suggest something much larger was unfolding behind the scenes?
We sold a vehicle to an individual, delivered it. It was all done over the phone. Delivered it to an address in Port Charlotte.
Okay.
Where she picked it up, signed all the paperwork, gave us a check.
Okay.
The check turned out to be fraudulent.
Okay.
So we are trying to retrieve our vehicle. So I needed to submit a vehicle theft or report of vehicle theft or
Okay.
whatever.
It wouldn't be a theft because you guys gave them the vehicle in exchange, for what you thought was a check. But what's going on? Sorry, 1 second. I don't know why this person just stopped behind my patrol car. Do you have the other person's information that came to purchase the vehicle? Okay.
I have everything.
Okay.
So we filed a report with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
That's where our dealership
That's where your
is.
office is?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he actually said it would be a theft because she fraudulent intention. It was a fake check.
So, was her name on the check? Like, did the driver's license match the name on the check?
She put it in her business name.
Oh, she put the Jeep in her business name
Yes.
that she purchased. Okay.
So the check was made out to her business name.
Okay.
We ran like a Sunbiz report and verified her name is associated with the business.
With the business, okay.
Yes, to make sure that all matched up.
Okay.
I've got in my email. I've got copy of the driver's license, bill of sale.
Okay.
The check.
So you've already filed like the fraud report with Hillsborough.
Yes.
So they took the initial report. Okay.
They said because the transaction occurred in Charlotte County, we had to.
So how did you guys find out the check was fraudulent?
So, of course, I was out sick for a couple days. I'm the accountant and manager of the office. I do all of the bank deposits and all the checks. I didn't review the check because I wasn't there. So he, not suspecting anything was wrong, got the check. He's like, all right, Ruby. I had somebody else deposit the check into our bank for us.
Okay.
We didn't realize that it was odd until we got a call from Sarasota dealership
Okay.
that this lady had purchased a vehicle from them on Sunday doing the same thing. She went up there though, gave him the same check. I have a copy of that check.
Okay.
It looks exactly like the one we got.
Okay.
So he called us when she pulled up because she bought it on Sunday. He called her. He was like, I think there was a problem with the payment. Can you come back and talk this over? He saw that she was driving the vehicle that she purchased from us. He was like, that seems suspicious. He was able to find out that she bought it from us, and he called us and he was like, hey guys, did you sell this lady a vehicle? We're like, yeah. He was like, so did I, yada yada yada. And we're like, okay, so something sketchy. He's like, absolutely. Yeah,
Right.
try to figure it out. So that's when and that was Wednesday or Thursday.
So when did she purchase the vehicle? Tuesday. This past Tuesday? Okay. Did she, so how much was the check for? Did she like
53,000.
53,000, okay.
53,382 or something.
82. Okay. Okay. What's the address that the Jeep's parked in front of? Do you know?
Yes.
Did Sarasota end up selling to her or no?
They did.
Okay.
Because they were in the same boat as us.
Okay.
So they're bigger. We're a small dealership. They're like a franchise. They use what's called telecheck or telepay or something. It's something that's supposed to verify the check when they receive it.
Yeah.
And it passed. And then I guess
Interesting.
1 or 2 days later, they got a call from their bank or whatever, it got kicked back.
Okay.
So that's when they called her. So she is in possession of a car from them as well.
So she has two.
She has two
Okay. Wow.
stolen vehicles.
Okay, so I'm not going to have you repeat everything, but I do want to ask a couple more follow-up questions, but I'm going to place you under oath and just have you swear to what you already told me and to everything that you're going to tell me moving forward, okay? So before I do that, I just have to ask you a couple of questions. Are you currently under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No.
Do you know the meaning of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, so I always explain it just to be on the safe side. Perjury can be committed in 2 different ways, by either lying or by omitting information while under oath. Perjury is a crime in the state of Florida. Do you understand what I've said about that?
Yes.
Perfect. Raise your hand. Do you swear or affirm that the statements you already provided and will provide shortly after is going to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Deputy Davis with the Sheriff's Office. Reason I'm here, you mind just taking your hands out of your pockets for me? Sorry. No, you're good. You're not in any trouble, anything like that. I'm actually here because of the blue Honda, okay? It's been entered as stolen through Sarasota County. Your friend, Tony, she's writing fraudulent checks and taking cars. So, my question for you is, do I have your permission to remove it from the property?
Let me get my buddy here,
Okay.
because I don't really know
Okay,
anything about
is this his house?
He stays here.
Okay, yeah, if you don't
Me
mind.
and my brother are like on the lease.
Okay, yeah, I mean, if you're on the lease and you give me permission, that's fine. I just
Okay.
don't want to really have to go through a search warrant and all the craziness.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, let me go talk to him.
Thank you.
Okay.
You guys aren't in any trouble or anything like that, so thank you so much. I'm just going to have you sign what's called a waiver of search. Just give me permission to remove it, okay? Give me 1 sec. Like I said, nobody here is in trouble or anything like that. Why did she park it here? Do you know?
She was letting me use it. I had no idea.
Oh, okay. Well, good thing you weren't caught driving it. Sorry about that. Sorry to drag you into it. You know your DL's expired, right?
Yeah, yes, we did. Yeah.
Like literally a couple days ago. No big deal. All right, so I'm just going to read this to you, and then I'm going to have you sign it stating that you just understand, okay? So basically, this is just giving me permission to take the vehicle. I'm not searching your property. I'm not taking anything else, anything like that. So I did put your name here, your name, having been informed of my constitutional rights not to have a search made on the premises here and after mentioned without a search warrant, and my right to consent to such a search hereby authorizes the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office and its affiliates of Punta Gorda, Florida, to conduct a complete search of my premises. Not doing a complete search. I'm just taking the car. These deputies are authorized by me to take from my premises any letters, papers, other property, or evidence which they may desire. The property taken may be used as evidence against me. Again, just standard protocol. I have to read it, okay? The written permission is given by me to the above named deputies, which would be me, Deputy Davis, voluntarily and without threats or promises of any kind. Got it?
Fair enough.
Just need a signature by that X.
Hello. Tony, it's Detective Richardson again.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, so I gotta read you this search warrant here. I have a search warrant for the Jeep Wrangler here.
So you're taking the Wrangler?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you have a question?
Well, no, I just don't know, I guess, what's going on. I even tried, like, yeah, I don't know.
Alright. In the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in Charlotte County, Florida, I have a search warrant under our agency case number of 26.
The Honda, yeah.
Okay. That's in Sarasota?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was frustrated because I feel like I got discriminated against my disability because literally they were fine until I got cornered and had a panic attack and had to go to the hospital, so I understand demanding payment, but when someone's very mentally unstable, and he was like, well, get a power of attorney. I'm like, you can't get a power of attorney when you're already this mentally unstable. I can't make legal decisions at this point, so I feel like it's being made out worse than it is because I couldn't provide because of my disability.
I gotcha.
Yeah. So.
Well, take a deep breath today. Like I said, we're just literally, once the toll gets here, we're taking the Jeep, you'll see this driveway, and we'll knock on the door, give you a copy of it.
Can I just see if I have, I don't think my license on in there, but can I see if I have anything in there?
Well, whatever's in there is going to be in there.
Oh.
You'll get it back, though. We're not keeping it. We just have to inventory it, and then he'll call you later this week, and we'll release whatever's in there to you.
Okay, I shouldn't have anything.
So I'm going to fill out a property receipt. You'll receive a copy of that saying that we're taking the Jeep with the key fob.
Okay.
All right, so let me complete this. I'll knock on your door again to hand you that information.
Can you just leave it here if I don't take it?
If that's what you want, I will leave it.
Snuggle a dog.
I'll leave it right on that box if that's what you want.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Awesome. Well,
All right.
not awesome, but thank you.
All right, well,
Thank you.
A disconnected 911 call brought officers back to Tony's home, but what began as a welfare check quickly shifted into a tense conversation about an active investigation.
Accidentally call?
No, literally, I am wicked sick right now. I've been dead asleep. No 911 hang up.
Okay. You don't have any injuries or anything like that? Do you mind if you come out to the door so I can check you real quick?
Yeah.
Your dog's up?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have any injuries or anything like that?
No.
Okay. You have a good package there.
Yeah.
You want to come out here?
No, I'm. What's going on?
Huh?
I don't know who would call 911.
Well, it just came from this address. I want to make sure everything's okay.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. There's no one else here. It's just me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you. You don't have any injuries. I don't see a back or anything like that. Okay.
Injuries. Yeah.
Okay. Can you come step out for me?
Why do I need to step out?
Because I need to talk to you about something.
Okay, what's going on?
I just need to talk to you, okay?
I'm not stepping outside. What's going on?
Okay. So, there's an investigation going on.
Yeah.
I just need to talk to you.
No. Okay. I'm not stepping outside. What's going on?
Well, I don't know the details of it.
Okay. Is it a warrant?
Huh?
Is it a warrant?
Not yet.
Okay, what's going on then?
I don't know. I don't know the details of it.
So what do you need me to step outside for?
Huh?
What do you need me to step
To
outside
talk
for?
to you.
Yeah, I can
Because the
talk right
dogs are
here.
barking and everything like that. I'd like to
I don't
just
feel
talk to you.
comfortable stepping outside. I am half asleep right now. What's going on?
Okay. So, you want to talk to my sergeant real quick?
Yeah, I can talk.
Okay.
Hi.
She's just asking.
You're asking? Okay. So here's the deal. There's an investigation conducted, okay? I'm not going to lie to you, okay? I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to give you anxiety or treat you any kind of way. But there are active charges right now for you.
For what?
For, I believe it's scheme to defraud.
What?
Scheme to defraud.
Okay, for who?
For you.
No, for what?
I guess something involving a vehicle.
Okay.
I don't know the exact...
Okay.
I don't know the exact stuff with that.
Yeah.
Okay? So you probably know more because you already maybe spoke to a detective or,
Yeah.
or something
of last
like
month,
that?
yeah.
Okay. All right. So with that being said, we've got to place you into custody because you're under arrest for those charges. Okay. Does that make sense?
Just, can it be any other day? I have to find a dog sitter and stuff right now.
So
Like,
here's what I will do for you, okay?
Okay.
Because you're being cool with me right now, and I appreciate it. We can work out right now getting you a dog sitter and everything for your dog. No one can drag you to jail and be mean to you, okay?
Okay.
We can work out some phone calls that we can take care of. You will have a bond hearing in the morning. You're not going to jail to stay in jail. That's not how it works, okay? So I'm trying to calm you down with how this all works. So as long as the dogs have food, water, tomorrow morning you see a judge and you get a bond. Okay. You should be able to get out. I say should because unless you have some crazy criminal history, which I don't think you do, and based on what I've seen, you should be able to get out, which means you will have no issue. You're allowed to use a phone when you're there. It's not like you're getting thrown in a, you know, you return all that. So we can work all that out as long as you cooperate with us because we're being cool with you. We're being honest with you, but we can't help where that's at. We had nothing to do with that. That was a detective and investigation. It's nothing to do with us. We're an apprehension unit. We come out and make contact with people and we serve the charges.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's frustrating because I've been trying to deal with that. I essentially, it's a long story, but yeah.
I get it. I know there's probably a lot to it, and we don't know anything about it. It's not our investigation, so we're not picking on you. We just came here because you were next on the spot of people we come to check on. You know what I mean? So that's where we're at. So with that being said, do you have your phone on you?
Yeah. The thing is, I don't know a single person in Florida. I don't know anyone who can bail me out. I don't know anyone who can watch my dogs.
Here's what we can do with you as long as you remain cooperative with us, okay? We can come inside, we can let you get water and the dogs taken care of for the night. Because like I said, you should be out tomorrow. You'll have a bond, so you'll be able to post bond.
I don't have anyone to post bond for me. I don't know anyone in Florida.
Okay. Well, you don't have any neighbors or anybody that can help out?
I came here to take care of my sister who has cancer. I don't know anyone here.
Okay. So what we can work out for you then is, in that case, I can't do anything about the charges with that. I can't. I'm sorry. That's just the way the law works. That's not me. That's the law. So you got to go in on those charges.
But if it's not a warrant, how can you arrest me on the spot, I guess?
Because they're charges. So if you were to have committed a felony crime and I can prove that you did it, right? I'll explain this to you real quick. Then I can have charges for you. I can have the probable cause to make an arrest, just like the detectives have probable cause based on their evidence to make an arrest. They do not need an arrest warrant signed by a judge to place somebody in custody. Just like if I come to your house, you commit a crime, and I can prove it, I can place you into custody.
So the thing is, I haven't even taken care of my dog. Like, I can't just leave within 20 minutes. Like, this is going to take 3 hours. No one's gone out to the bathroom yet today. I've been dead asleep.
I can sympathize with that.
I really am just so confused. Like, is it, how long is it, because the Charlotte County one, like, I don't know. I'm so drugged right now on anxiety medicine. Like,
I understand. I'm not trying to give you anxiety. I can't help where we're at. And I don't know the specifics of the case because I'm not the investigator. I don't work in that unit. I don't know all the different conversations that may or may not have been had. I don't know the evidence. I don't know anything. I just know that there's active charges for you. So that's all we get told.
Right.
So I wish I could give you more information because it's not like it's a secret. It's not like you're going to be able to see all this, you know what I mean? So
I'm going to have a panic attack like
well,
bad right now.
I hope you don't, because the sooner we can get you through, the sooner we can get you back out to your dogs, okay? Because
No, it's not just about that. It's just about not having resources. I don't know how I'm going to get bailed out of jail. Like, I don't know anyone.
When you go to first appearance, you have an opportunity to speak with the judge about your bond and about the conditions of it and what it means, okay? And you get an opportunity to speak to the judge and tell them directly all these concerns you have that you're telling me.
Right.
That's why you're at first appearance. That's why it's important that you're there, right? Because you can voice that and explain the financial hardship, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. And then that is when they set stuff like that, or not, or whatever they decide to do.
Right. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
And then what I went ahead and did, Tony, is I went ahead and called animal control because in case you can't get out, I want your animals cared for, and they'll do that, okay?
My ex-boyfriend's in town. I have him, but he's not anyone that could help me.
Well, if you can't rely on it, you don't want to take that risk.
Well, that's his dog. Like, his other dog is his. He'll come and help. Yeah, it's just more of, like, in the situation of everything else. So can he come out, the detective, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna go check right now. Just to let you finish up. Okay, give me 1 second. Just wait with these deputies. I'll be right with you. Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. They'll lock up and everything. We'll make sure it's locked.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I just feel weird having people have access to my house without me being here. I'm like having a panic of that.
Well, they're not gonna do anything. I promise.
I know. I'm just trying to think. And then the boys do have at Publix to be picked up if they are unmanageable, because they will pick up. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Once everybody's gone out of the shelter, it tends to get quiet.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna drink the rest of that and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, just relax. They're just making sure everybody's taken care of while you're in there, and then that's it.
No, it's just more of, this is what depression looks like, you know, and I don't live like this.
Well, that's fine. No one's judging you on anything, all right? If you're going through hard times, you're going through hard times. Everybody does. We understand that, you know. You don't have to be depressed because of that. You should be happy that the dogs, without a shadow of a doubt, your dogs are taken care of right now.
No, I am, and the fact that it was not me.
Are you guys done in there? Or?
Yeah, we're finished.
They would have tried killing them. They would have had to use a bite.
Right,
It would have
yeah.
been much different.
We definitely did it better going this route than.
Yeah.
You finished with it? Or
Yeah.
You just sit it there. That's fine. I don't care. All right. They have to go behind you back. All right. Mm-hmm. Just put your palms together like you're praying, and put them inward. Like, it's gonna be. There you go. It's gonna be the easy. I'm telling you, this will be the easiest on your wrist here.
No, I just had surgery on my wrist, so.
Well, I won't put them on tight. Is that good?
I just mean they're not flexible like that.
Oh, okay, got you. Well, then put them however you want.
That wrist.
You want it like that?
Yeah.
All right. Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me lock it so they don't tighten up on you then. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I'll get airflow for you as we get moving here.
Thank you.
Well, I didn't get to check you. Is there anything on you I need to know about? Because
I
you don't.
am naked under this
Okay,
dress.
all right. Because
Yeah.
I don't want you to get charged. I'm stupid.
Yeah,
So
I don't even have a bra or underwear on.
All right. All right. Just watch your knees, and then we'll get it down so we can get you down there and get you out of the cuffs.
By the end of the investigation, officers moved forward with the arrest while still taking time to explain the legal process, arrange care for the suspect's dogs, and accommodate her medical concerns. It's a reminder that officers can enforce the law while remaining professional and respectful. Remember, an arrest isn't a conviction. The courts ultimately decide the outcome. What are your thoughts on how this situation was handled? Let us know below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more bodycam breakdowns.